Welcome to Secret Society Sounds, the go-to source for underground artist education about the music industry. Today, we're exploring the topic of performing rights organizations, or P.R.O.s. These organizations play a crucial role in protecting the rights of songwriters, composers, and music publishers, and in ensuring that they are fairly compensated when their music is played publicly. What are performing rights organizations? Performing rights organizations, or P.R.O.s, are companies that represent the rights of songwriters, composers, and music publishers. Their main role is to collect and distribute royalties to their members when their music is played publicly, such as on the radio, in restaurants, or at live events. How do P.R.O.s work? P.R.O.s work by tracking the use of their members' music and by negotiating licensing agreements with businesses and other organizations that use music publicly. When a song is played publicly, the P.R.O.s responsible for that song will receive a royalty payment from the organization using the music. The P.R.O.s then distributes a portion of this royalty to the songwriter or composer who wrote the song. Why are P.R.O.s important? P.R.O.s are important because they provide a way for songwriters and composers to be fairly compensated when their music is played publicly. Without P.R.O.s, it would be difficult for these creators to track the use of their music and to receive the royalties they are owed. P.R.O.s also help to protect the intellectual property rights of songwriters and composers, and to ensure that they are fairly compensated for the use of their work. By joining a P.R.O.s, songwriters and composers can benefit from the organization's resources and support in this area. Examples of P.R.O.s. There are several P.R.O.s in different countries, and each one has its own rules and requirements for membership. Some examples of P.R.O.s include ASCAP, BMI, and SESAC in the United States, and P.R.S for music in the United Kingdom. How to join a P.R.O.s. If you are a songwriter, composer, or music publisher and want to join a P.R.O.s, you will need to meet the organization's membership requirements and pay any applicable fees. It's important to carefully review the terms of membership and to consider which P.R.O.s is the best fit for your needs. You may also want to seek the advice of a lawyer or other professional before joining a P.R.O.s. Thanks for watching Secret Society Sounds, the go-to source for underground artist education about the music industry. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. We're excited to bring you the best in new music and share our knowledge with emerging artists. Until next time, keep it locked to Secret Society Sounds.